everyone. I am having two groups of flowers. In one group of flower, I am having only male flower, but in other group of flower, I am having both male and female flower. Can you tell me that in which of the case there will be a self-pollination and in which of the case there will be a cross-pollination? So this is basically a very confusing question when it comes in your examination, that in which case there will be a self-pollination and in which case there will be a cross-pollination. But if we are talking about self and cross-pollination, we must know what is pollination. So pollination is basically the transfer of pollen grains on the stigma. So that process is known as pollination. Pollination is generally of two types. One is self-pollination and the other is cross-pollination. When the pollination is occurring in the same plant, मतलब जब pollination एक same plant में हो रहा है, that pollination is basically known as self-pollination. ठीक है? In the same plant, the flower can be same, but the flower can be different also. Suppose I am having this plant, okay, and there are two different branches of this plant. In one branch, I am having the male flower. In other branch, I am having the female flower. But the flower is in the same plant. So if the pollination is occurring between two different branches of the same plant, then also it is a case of self-pollination. Only if the flower is same, that is not the case of the self-pollination. मतलब वो तो self-pollination का case है ही. लेकिन अगर आपका plant same है और अगर आपकी branches भी different हैं, then also you will say that it is a case of self-pollination. Because students generally get confused that self-pollination का case we will only write when the flower is same. But if the plant is same, the flower is different because the branches can be different. So that is also the case of self-pollination. So if the plant is same, it can be in the same flower also. It can be in the different flower also because there are two different branches of the plant. So that will be the case of self-pollination. But if the plant is different, suppose I am having two plants, one is a male plant, other is a female plant. Now, if the pollination is occurring between two different plants, that is a case of cross-pollination. But if the plant is same, irrespective of the flower that it is same or not, that will be the case of self-pollination. So, I hope that now the case of self-pollination and cross-pollination is basically clear to you. For more such conceptual videos and for more such science concept, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.